Automobile accidents can cause all kinds of injuries. A 2,000-pound car traveling at a high rate of speed can certainly cause all kinds of damage to the human body, and one of those things is called a herniated disc. And when there's a disc herniation, there's basically fluid that's seeping out of the disc, and it's either pressing on your nerves or maybe it's just sitting there and maybe will press on your nerves at some point. But either way, it's extremely painful and can cause lots of problems and generally would need to be repaired if it's causing too many problems. The types of repairs that you can look at are maybe a laminectomy to remove some of the disc material, a fusion that would put two vertebrae together by removing a disc, or a disc replacement. There's also injections and physical therapy and a myriad of other things that can be done to treat a herniated disc. But certainly the forces that are involved in the accident will and can cause herniated discs. It's one of the more common types of back injuries. So if you've suffered a herniated disc, or you think you might have suffered a herniated disc, you can call an attorney to help you out with any claim against the at-fault vehicle to get compensation for your injury and your suffering that you have as a result of that.